Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Janvi Behra and today we are going to do a 4-week English challenge. Yes, you heard me right. We will learn English in this 4-week as a beginner. And let me tell you, in this 4-week as a beginner, you are not gonna become fluent in English like a native speaker, but you will be able to have a conversation with a person in English. And in this 4-week, we will work in your speaking, listening, reading and writing. So if you are interested in this video, watch this till the end. So in the first week as a beginner, we are not gonna stress so much in our mind that I gotta learn this and this. So okay, in the first week we're gonna be relaxed, okay, and in the first week we will just listen to different kind of English song. Okay, so I give you this challenge to find out 5 English song, 5 your favorite English song, okay, and you just have to sing along with those songs. Okay, in the morning or in the evening, the time you prefer, just listen an English song and try to sing along with the song, with the lyrics. You just have to sing it. This way you will improve your pronunciation, your reading skill and your confidence as well. And just enjoy this process, okay? Don't stress so much in the first week. If you learn like grammar in the first week, then I'm telling you, you are going to be so boring of learning English. It's not gonna feel amazing if you are learning grammar in the first week. Just do something that will make you feel enjoyable in this process and that will make you feel happy to learn English. And in the second week, you just have to watch this C-drama. This is in English dub and I love this drama, okay, when I watched it, and you will learn so many new words, new vocabulary and idioms, just like native speaker. And you just have to watch this drama with subtitle on and write down the new words, the interesting words that you find, and try to search the meaning of it and write it down in your notebook, so you won't forget the words that you learn. And even if you don't understand anything, watch this drama, okay, because this is so good. Just for fun, watch this, and after you watch it, you will be able to understand. And when you will write down new words from this C-drama, try to make a small sentence from the word. Like if you learn the word hilarious and you know the meaning that it's something fun, and so you have to make a sentence that you can use, like her expression was hilarious at that time. You can use this kind of sentences in your daily life. And in the third week, you have to make a diary where you will learn English. Before sleeping at night, write down 3 or 4 sentences about your day, what you did, what happened to you, what special happened to you, and try to use the new words you learned from the C-drama. So this way you are not gonna forget the new sentences and words, and you will remember the spelling also, okay? And this way your writing skill will improve. And don't stress about so much that what if I made a mistake. Don't care about it. Even if you make a mistake, you are gonna learn from it, okay? So just write down, even if it's not right, okay? And in the 4th week, you just have to find a topic, like my dream, travel, my favorite food, my bestie, my mother and all, okay, and talk about that topic. Speak to yourself and record it. And after you record it, just speak it about like 5 minutes, the thing that you know. Like if you are writing about your best friend, say that my best friend is Dex and she is so good, and this kind of thing, just so simple. You just have to write it down. I mean, you just have to talk to yourself, okay, and record it. And this way you will not gonna be a beginner in English. If you follow this 4-week challenge, you are gonna be a confident English speaker, okay. I am not saying that you are gonna be fluent like a native speaker, but a confident English speaker. Even you can talk to yourself, you can describe a thing. And this challenge will help you to not to get bored from learning English, but because it is an enjoyable journey. You are not gonna do anything that you don't like. You don't have to learn any grammar and do anything, okay. You just have to listen to songs, watch Chinese drama, and write in your diary about your day, record yourself and all. And this way you will be feeling so great and enjoyable in this process of learning English. You are not gonna feel boring. And I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and I will catch you guys in my next video. So till then, bye and keep learning.